How to update the contact information on CIBC. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to update your contact information on CIBC, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to the application and log in. Once you have logged in, head over to your profile from the top right corner. Once you head over to the profile, go to the settings and security under my profile and click on the changes that you want to make. Once you have edited your profile, click on Save Changes. Once that is done, it will send a code in your registered or the primary number for verification. And once you have verified all of the details, only then your new contacts and the information will be saved. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have any queries or additional questions, you can drop it on the comments below. Thank you.